I spent the last 10 years of my life up to 2021 on submarines in the Navy. I was a reactor operator. And the data center field, I had some previous coworkers tell me it was a seamless transition from nuke life in the Navy. So I thought, I like technology, we'll give it a go. And I've been here ever since. So what I love most about being here is the team of people that I work with. But if you don't enjoy the people, it's not really worth it. And the people here that I work with day to day, they really make it worthwhile. I don't know if I would say I have one big defining achievement. I feel like it's a bunch of little milestones, and a lot of those are not so much related directly to the job, but it was just personal things where I was learning how to be a real human after getting out of the Navy for so long. So transitioning back to civilian life. And then there's been just little accomplishments in our day-to-day here at the data center, seeing the successes here. Obviously this nice new second building we have going on. I watched this piece of land when it was grass and mud, and seeing this huge facility now, it's pretty cool. There's a few things. The one that I'm working on right now is I'm trying to get my pilot's license. So I've just started that process. So check back with me in a few months and we'll see if I got it or not. Literally the very beginning. Like I have a flight scheduled, like an intro flight scheduled tomorrow. I'd like to play craps at the Grand Casino in Monte Carlo. That'd be great. I'd like to go out on the ocean on a yacht instead of a submarine. That would be great. But yeah, no, but realistically, I think right now I'm focused on the pilot's license thing. I think about this often. Me, 2011, I had about 300 Bitcoin. Should have kept them. But seriously, I think I'd go back and tell younger me, don't second guess yourself. Your gut's usually right. And don't overthink stuff. Still a problem. Still working on it, but that's what I'd probably tell me.